So fire.
Okay, so guys,
That's not how it works.
we're all getting smarter by this conversation. Okay, so we're gonna do, this is, the reason we did the warm-up is because of problems like these. So, just like we did in the warm-up, we're gonna get rid of that constant term. So I'm gonna move that constant term over, so that 7's gonna move over to the other side. But I'm also gonna rearrange this. I'm gonna put the x's together and the y's together. So, reorganize. X's and y's together. And then I'm gonna call that like my C term because it's like a constant. So move that C term over. All right, so get the 7 over there. And then like I said, I'm gonna reorganize this. So I'm gonna put the x squared and 2x together. I'm actually gonna leave a little space. If you didn't, it'll be okay. Just rewrite it again. So essentially, I left a couple spaces here because we need to complete the square twice. The reason we need to do that is if you guys think about the circle equation, it's x plus or minus some number squared, y plus or minus some number squared. We have to figure out what that number needs to be for each of these x values. So we're going to do the b divided by 2 squared for each the x and the y. So we're going to do this like basically twice to be able to figure out what should go in those blanks. So the first one is 2 divided by 2 squared. 1. Now if I add 1 here, to balance our equation, we have to add it to the other side as well. Okay? Then I have to do with the -6 as well. -6 divided by 2 is -3 squared is 9, right? So hopefully you're noticing that like this and now this should be able to be factored. That x squared plus 2x plus 1 should be able to be factored using our perfect squares. The y should also be able to be factored using our perfect squares. And then I can just add all that together on the other side, so that's 3 over there, right? So what multiplies to give me 1, but adds to give me 2? 1 and 1. What multiplies to give me 9, but adds to give me a -6? -3. So from that gibberish that we had up at the top, you guys were just able to write our equation now. We know what what the center is, we know what the radius is, we'd be able to like, so again, just to kind of remind you, -1, 3 would be our center, and then the square root of 3 would be our radius. So this would be a tiny circle, because square root of 3 is less than 2. This would just be a little guy. All right, is that okay? We'll do one more here together. Now this one's rearranged already for us in a kind of a messed up way, so we need to make it look a little bit better. So we're gonna have to do some rearranging here. Really, it's not too bad once you look at it. What do we need to move? Yeah, y squared just needs to go back over to the other side. The 64 is actually okay where it is because we like that constant term being over there. I guess I'm going to write the x squared plus 8x first. I like leave myself a little blank. The y squared minus 2y, little blank, will equal 64. probably call Hallie and John in here just to do notes with me at the start, and I can record it with Sawyer. Probably might be what I'll try to do. It's me trying to fix all these problems. All right. What'd you add for the x?
What?
What'd you add? The 16, right? 8 divided by 2 is 4, plus square root is 16. Okay? The negative 2 divided by 2 squared just be 1, right? That 81 over there? Is that right? Yeah. Okay. So this part, we have x plus 4 times 4, right? And then y multiply to negative 1, add to negative 2, minus 1. It's kind of satisfying, right? No? No?